Let's know about our national bird peacock. Before that, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel Jai Shri Ram Classes for 10. The Indian peacock pavo cristatus, the national bird of India, is a colorful, swan-sized bird with a fan-shaped crest of feathers, a white patch under the eye and a long slender neck. The male of the species is more colorful than female, with a glistening blue breast and neck and a spectacular bronze-green tail of around 200 elongated feathers. For continued part of this video, please turn on your bell icon so that you can get full video of this. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.